Hello, hi. Insumik teo dam jing honam tunia he. Kukle na dinga khothing pen na he no. Akil hungin. Ye chun mele pa wayong esan ho ga dem the ga ki demin tin. Khu he wewin so pite ho aji umpoi. Ai viewers ngari masasing yengo asno emuk ka kalakta to na to how air is clean and fresh and how our villages are clean. See. Yeah, sister. Yeah.
Because of it's very hot now.
Yeah. This is our forefather when they settle in our Cookie Hills. This is the way how we build our house. This is our traditional house. So pite ho lewo gului pule pa chon dana in kisa ho injong umin athupi le yengen nom le yengen to ha kyo hong to dikita be. Okay.
Nobody is there. You can't do. Nobody
is here. See, this is Cobru Range.
Now it's nobody, no person. Yeah.
Cobru Range. This is Cobru Range. This is the Cobru Range. It's just under below
it's
the Cobru.
It's very nice, no?
Yeah.
Oh my God. I'm your family channel.
Yeah. Family member. Yeah.
Only me.
Yeah. There are lots of my family.
Okay.
Meaning te ho na. Ku let the boat te ho. Come in mang te ho na.
Okay.
They are all my See. Very simple. Very smart. Like our cookie ladies.
Yeah.
Like our cookie ladies, no need of makeup, no cosmetics. It's just simple.
Yeah. This is
Aji
only
umpo.
for nighttime.
Or this my work. This Chihi ikat.
Handmade. This is handmade.
Let's give some brief about
This
this.
is handmade and this is slide.
Okay.
This is slide and this is very nice when nighttime na.
Yeah. It's very unique, yeah.
Was made of wood.
Ga sai dinga zan le ki vele thing za bung ki ka sana ngiam do ho na ta bang
You
khui.
can see this is light moon also.
Ai so lai wa tel na. I am ho he chi di ta so.
Very nice na.
Even though there is a bark sheet around here, it's natural.
Yeah.
This is handmade.
Okay.
This
my thing, you are getting jealous, I know, but don't give.
This is bamboo.
Don't give
And this one
faltu comments, okay? This is made by bamboo.
they are all bamboo from bamboo na. Inside also.
Iti cha do nu te be on te hi be en. Iti cha do nu te be on te hi be. Sa do ni be on te hi be ka kle lu ta. Yes necessary. For our cookie. Nga kin sung lam do. Kin sung lam do. Denga chu chatam or something is. Okay. This is the new one. This is the new one. And these all are the vehicles in people in PTA hen. Mulum in PTA hen. My social worker. Ki hen ma yong. Ako yung nom selin pathenin. Pathe bu han lang Kosong mi te hen lang ani ago huyong la pateni phat the bu hen lang chi khui le ain o hin and just above that this is the what we so called the Koplu where the Meitei people steal the words of Koplu and change the words the pronunciation as a Kobru. This is the Ori view. Wanna see Meitei? Yeah, you just crop it from my video and just get a snapshot and ไอ้ชื่อโกปรูนหันจัดละมีไก่นะก็หายแล้วอ่ะก็ที่งังซะที่เจ้าที่นังซะตัว snap อักตัวก็วิดีโอมึงกันนะโมสิว่าสินำบีเกสิว่าสินำแล้วก็voice editing ko you make voice editing juga as ko bro kabdi wahe ai si khoi manung yo fre as kanam to silai ti kai na to mandro man bani ai voice lo tho ga ko noi to se ko bro yo ram da gi chingnung manung ne ai to ro noi editing to ba am ni to ro wai kai na Anum le jengin bang khu chu
เขาสะพูนู่นจะทอกอบรมกินนั่นน่ะเขาสะพูอปียงจุกิกันสูงลงมาทุกเฟืองบ่อยเขาสะพูว่าสิจะทอกเวลาตะกินมาเองมันน่ะ
This is the properties of our Asmol Nom chief by the God gifts. He have God give a beauty vehicles and serve for his people. Mete minai masasa noi kalak kani ba khange ba kalak pa di tum ta ni noi de This is the place what we so call a small Nom. Fresh environment, fresh air. Only Kuki people, Sin Kuki Mizo brotherhoods are allowed, but the dogs and the Meiteis are not shall pass.